Alright guys, I just got out of work, so I put this hat on to cover up my messy hair. Even though it makes me look stupid, I don't care. But yeah, I'm playing with this knife again, but whatever. I'm gonna shotgun 2 beers in rapid succession. Hopefully I don't fuck it up and spew beer all over my living room, because my wife would kill me. But I'm trying to be quiet because she's in the bedroom and I don't want her to come out here and laugh at me like a fucking idiot. But anyway, let me get started. Oh, by the way, these beers have been sitting out of the fridge for like 45 minutes. So they're not freezing cold, but they're pretty cold still. I'm not trying to make excuses, I'm just saying. Oh shit. I don't have a glass to pour any excess out, but there's like barely any in there, it's just foam. Shit. I was unprepared, but I guess you'll just have to believe me. Yeah, just foam, pretty much. Alright, here goes number 2. Ugh, I already feel full. Oh, here's the triangle of the other can. This is probably like the most disgusting shotgun video ever. Anyways. It's alright, it's a work shirt. Like that Elvis look. Hey, baby. There's like barely anything in that one. Alright, there you go. There's shotgunning 2 beers. I know it wasn't like back to back, but I don't care. I just wanted to do it. Alright, good night. Peace out. 2012 Great Taste of the Midwest.